Hi friends, welcome to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see what are the civil engineering software is mostly used in upcoming years. Before going to video, may subscribe and press bell icon button. The first software we are going to see is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is related to create a precise 2D and 3D drawings. It is one of the basic software for drafting and documentation of the construction projects, which is developed by the Autodesk. Automate floor plan and section and elevations are designed. AutoCAD 3D version is also available for 3D modeling. And next one is we are going to see is StatPro. When it becomes to designing and analysis of structure, it is one of the software which is operated by many professionals in construction field. StatPro is the structural engineering professionals' choice for steel, concrete, timber and aluminium. Any structures including culverts, petrochemical plants, tunnels, bridges and pipes, StatPro software is used mainly in that sections. Revit structure. BIM, Building Information Modeling, can be termed as one of the 21st century's greatest innovations, helping the big infrastructure projects. BIM is an intelligent 3D model-based process that gives architecture, engineering, and construction Revit tools more effectively used to plan, design, and construct and manage buildings and infrastructures. ETAP. ETAP it is one of the ultimate integrated software package for structural analysis and design of buildings, graphics designs, reports, schematic drawings that allows user to quickly and understand, analysis, and design results. ETAP integrates every aspect of engineering design process. SAP 2000. It is another software available for design and analysis of structure. It is also used in many structural firms. It has wide selection of templates for quickly starts a new model. SAP 2000 includes parametric templates for simple beams, 3D trusses, 3D frames, staircases, and pipes. 3D Max modeling. It is an animation software which is used to generate a visual. This software is developed by the Autodesk and it is the modeling and rendering software which is mainly used for interior design and visual graphics by the architects and the civil engineers. ArcGIS. ArcGIS is a software used in a geographical information system for surveying. It is the helpful creating thematic maps. It is the key to realize advantage of local awareness. Collects and manage data. It creates a professional map, perform traditional and analysis, and solve the real problems. MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft. It features calculation, graphing tools, and macro programming called a Visual Basic for application. It is widely used in civil engineering for data collections, surveys, and analysis and the designs. Primavera. Primavera is a construction management software. It is used in a construction planning and scheduling software. It is used by the greatest of the 70% of engineers, all planning and scheduling professionals. MS Office also offering a similar software by name is called as a MS Project. These are all the softwares that develop the skills of upcoming civil engineering in future. By learning these softwares which increase your identity in construction industries. Thank you. Make subscribe and share this video.